Hey y'all, what's good? What's up? It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm living my life like it's golden, 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 living my life like it's golden.
So, first of all, please ignore my lips. I was wearing a red lipstick and it's not coming off and I don't know what to do about it. I've tried. So, I just put Carmex over it to like make it look less terrible. But yeah, so in this video, I'm going to be packing for my trip to Cancun. I leave in 2 days. Really is 1 day now because today is over. I got my nails done today. Ooh. Yeah, they're pretty fire. I actually vlogged that. So if you want to go see my nail vlog, then you can click in the eye. I think it's on this side. But yeah, I'll have it linked in the eye and down below if you want to see my nail vlog. I'm packing right now. This is not going to be fun, but I'm going to take y'all through the process, show y'all everything I'm packing. So let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to be packing is makeup. And I'm going to be doing like skin like bold lip type of looks. So I don't need that much to bring with me. So basically I'm going to need some brows. So I'm going to bring my NYX brow pencil. And then I also got this brow pencil in my boxy charm that I'm going to bring as well. Then I need lashes. I have a pair of lashes in here that I'm going to bring. These are my signature lashes. Miss Lashes and size 302A. So that means I also need a lash curler because I can't go without that. And I need scissors. Now I need my skin stuff. So first I need concealer, like a brightening concealer. And I'm going to take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I think I'm going to take this foundation stick and just use it as like a spot concealing type thing. Like, sorry if the thunder is loud. It's literally flooding in Houston right now. So I'm bringing two different highlights. I'm bringing the Desi X Katie highlight in Chasing the Sun. I'm also taking the ColourPop X Shayla loose highlight. As far as lips, so I'm gonna put all my lip stuff in here. Did I just rip this? I did. I'm gonna take her Season 10 lip, and then I'm also gonna take this ColourPop lip gloss. This is the So Juicy lip gloss, and it's in the shade Intersection. I got this one on sale. I think I'm good on the bold lips, and I think I'm gonna take, I have to take my Fenty Gloss Bomb. Like, it's no question. You have to have a Fenty Gloss Bomb with you. Okay, so I have this little Real Techniques case that some of my brushes came in because they came in a set. And we're just going to smash this closed. And boom, my brushes are packed. Okay, so now we're going to go and work on skincare. Okay, so in this little bottle, I'm going to add my toner. I'm also going to add this Nair in here just in case. My moisturizer. Another toner. I'm going to add these acne pads. I'm going to take this little DHC Deep Cleansing Oil for taking off my makeup. I'm going to put some wipes in here. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so then I'm going to put this cleanser from Glam Glow. This little bag is kind of small. And these products are kind of big. And then I'm going to put this Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I'm going to put cotton rounds. And I think that's all I need for my face. Alright, so next I'm going to pack my body care stuff. This bag is really dirty, but it's the size I need. I'm going to put in here my toothbrush. But I'm going to take my own toothpaste. I'm taking a bar of Irish Spring and I'm gonna put it in a bag so that way when I take it out the box, I can keep it in this bag as I'm using it, and it's not just like sitting on something in the hotel because that's nasty. This nasty. And then I'm gonna take a loofah, but I'm gonna leave it in this bag. Now I need deodorant, and I use Arm & Hammer, so I'm gonna put that in there. And then I also need to pick out a perfume that I'm gonna bring with me. But I'll do that once I get in my room because that's where I keep my perfumes. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab up my hair stuff while we're in here. I'm gonna be taking my curling wand. This is a Numi curling wand. I've had it for forever and I love it. So I'm going to pack this. I also am gonna take a scarf to tie my hair at night, a brush, hair clips for when I'm doing my hair, and my Got2b Breeze spray because I use this to lay my wigs. This foaming lotion for my edges, which is, I need to take an edge brush. So I'm gonna take hair oil, and this is not the hair oil that's in here, I don't think. It might be, I don't know. Okay, so the clothes part is gonna take a while. I'm gonna be trying on some stuff, and then once I figure out what I'm gonna wear, I'll show y'all the outfits and stuff like that, and then show you how I start packing everything, because right now I've just put things into bags by category for the most part. So then we're actually gonna throw it in the suitcase, and that'll be pretty much it. It's really simple, really quick, really easy. All right, don't mind Megan in the back. But I picked out all my clothes and I just like threw them on the suitcase. These are my workout clothes that I'm taking. This is what I'm wearing to the airport. This is my pads and my tampons because I'm going to be on my period. Sucks. But yeah, I picked out everything. And now I'm going to show y'all how I fit everything into my suitcase. Alright, so this is what my suitcase looks like after I put everything in. The only thing I left out was my airport outfit and my makeup, and then I'm also going to be packing a backpack, but I won't be packing that until tomorrow. And then after the backpack, I'm all packed, like everything's done. So, but for now, I'm going to close up my suitcase, and yeah, I'll probably take it downstairs too. And then I'll have to clean my room. I have clothes that I need to fold that I took out the wash, and just straightening everything up because I cannot stand going on vacation and coming back to a dirty house. No. Okay, 36 pounds. So that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I will see you guys when I'm in Cancun. Well, I'll see you guys in the morning because I'm going to be vlogging. But I have to go charge this battery so that way I can vlog. So make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.